open your Figma file, install the Mark Email Generator Figma plugin. Link will be in the description, or you can find it in the Figma community. So with the plugin, you can export any frame without a layout as HTML in a template to any platform, including Mailchimp, or you can use some ready-made components available in the plugin. So let's choose templates, HubSpot. Let's choose one of these templates. You can simply drag and drop it onto canvas. It's fully editable Figma frame. You can change text, images, and so on. So let's try to preview it in the plugin. So click on the preview, select a frame, click on the preview. This is how it works. And so the first tip is to add pre-header variable. If you want to export HTML template, click on export, switch on the export section, select a Mailchimp. Here you can click pre-header option and insert and click button use Mailchimp tag. And this pre-header text will be changed, depends on your pre-header text in your main campaign. It's the first tip. Second important thing is to, when you're adding a link, for example, let's say you want add a link, for example, to this container. So if you select a frame, you can switch to the properties section, find the link option, and here you can insert a link, click on reload, and now this container has a link. But in the plugin also you can switch on the issues option and see that plugin highlights the most common issues in email design. For example, if you are trying to add link to a frame with content, plugin will highlight it as an issue because links on container do not work. So especially for the Mailchimp, I would recommend to place links only on images or text or buttons. So let's remove this URL from the container, reload the plugin, and select a text, add a link, or for example, if you want add link to a logo, for example, you can select a logo, click link, and insert link like so. Or you can select social icon and add link to social icon. Make sure you have reload the preview. And now all links works well. So the third common issue, the third thing that I want to mention in this video is to when you export your template from Figma to Mailchimp, you have with the Mark plugin you can export it directly using API key, or you can download HTML. But for this case, I would recommend to export zip. With zip, all the images inside email will be archived into one zip file. That zip file will be easily to import in HTML in Mailchimp later. So let's do it. In the Mailchimp, you can simply go to campaigns, email templates, click code your own, import zip, select your zip file, click import, and now this template fully available in the plugin. Mobile version works perfectly, fonts works perfectly, all links also works well, and all images will be hosted on Mailchimp site. Thank you for watching.